Alienated. Alienated. I'm sorry, it's another negative feeling. You feel alienated when you don't feel like part of a group. You can feel alienated by antisocial behavior or even a conversation topic. The general feeling is one of loneliness. You can also be alienated by an individual, but the feeling is of loneliness, almost like you don't belong. I felt very alienated by the other kids at school. They teased me a lot, always laughing at my clothes or my skinny body. Now, for anyone that doesn't know, skinny means very, very, very thin, without muscle and so on. It's normal to feel alienated when you go to a new school. Everything seems so different from what you knew before. Now here we have an example of someone feeling alienated by an individual. We have a conversation between Tom and Alice. You really alienated me by talking about politics all night. What's wrong with politics? Nothing, but you know I don't know anything about politics. Even so, you and your friends spoke about politics for 3 hours. So Tom felt alienated because he wasn't part of the conversation. So the word is alienated, and it's a general feeling of loneliness. You feel alienated when you don't feel like part of a group. This can involve antisocial behavior or even just a conversation topic. I felt very alienated by the other kids at school. They teased me a lot, always laughing at my clothes or my skinny body. It's normal to feel alienated when you go to a new school. Everything seems so different from what you knew before. You really alienated me by talking about politics all night. So remember, Tom felt alienated because he couldn't join in the conversation because he doesn't know anything about politics. He felt alienated.